Now, you can create these types of paint-to-lev AI videos using Grok AI for free and make your YouTube Shorts channel viral in just a few days, because this is a 100% fresh niche. Not only this, but today I will tell you 8 new and viral ideas, which include ancient book to live creature videos, powder seeds to tree videos, drawing to live AI videos, water drop to country artwork, AI videos, cute miniature animals from a jar, AI videos, creating miniature restaurants or shops videos. And the best part, you will learn a secret trick to generate unlimited AI videos for free from a single Grok AI account. Now, first let's create paint-to-lev AI videos by visiting grok.com. Before moving ahead, you can see that I am on the free plan. To generate videos for free, simply click on the Imagine option in the left sidebar. Next, make sure you select the video option and choose your desired aspect ratio. Since we are creating viral shorts videos, let's select the vertical aspect ratio. Now we need to enter our prompt here. I already have an example prompt, so we'll create our first video using this. Simply hit the send button, and within a few seconds, Grok AI will create our first AI video. And bingo, here it is. Let's preview this. You can see that the video quality is amazing, but if we provide a better and enhanced prompt, the result becomes even more impressive. So we have an enhanced prompt, and let's use that. Now, here's the trick to generate unlimited AI videos for free using Grok AI. If you enter prompts in the main prompt box, you will quickly hit the generation limit. But if you enter your new prompt in the redo box and hit redo, then you can create unlimited AI videos for free. But there's a downside. If you enter a new prompt in the redo box, the current video will disappear. So before entering the new prompt, we need to download the video from here. And you can see that our video has been successfully downloaded. Once the video is downloaded, simply paste your new prompt into the redo prompt box and hit send. And bingo, our new video is ready. Let's preview this. You can see that the result from the enhanced prompt is clearly better than the normal prompt. Now, to create such enhanced prompts, I have already made a prompt template for you. You can use this template in ChatGPT and replace the object name and description with your own object. For demonstration, I am entering frost feather panther, a panther with icy feather-like fur that refracts light into rainbow halos. It moves silently, leaving trails of frozen mist behind. ChatGPT will provide us with the perfect enhanced prompt for our idea. Simply copy this newly generated enhanced prompt and go to Grok AI. Again, for unlimited video generation, we will not enter the prompt in the main prompt box. We will paste it in the redo box. But before pasting the new enhanced prompt, first download the existing video, because it will disappear once we enter the new prompt. Once downloaded, paste your new enhanced prompt in the redo box and hit send. And within a few seconds, our new video is ready. Let's preview it. The video is just mind-blowing, and you can create such videos to make your YouTube channel go viral very easily. Next viral niche is drawing to fantasy AI videos. And to create these videos, we will use this example enhanced prompt. We will paste the example enhanced prompt here in the redo box and hit the send button. And within a few seconds, bingo, our first drawing to fantasy AI video is ready. Let's preview it. Now, to create your own enhanced prompt for generating drawing to fantasy AI videos, you can use this prompt template. Simply copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the idea placeholder with your own idea. Like, crayon lines peel open like cracks. A cute 3D dragon pops out breathing harmless glitter fire. ChatGPT will give you the enhanced prompt based on your idea to generate a perfect drawing to fantasy AI video We can simply use this new prompt in Grok AI. And by now, you already know that before entering a new prompt in the redo box, we must download the existing video or it will disappear. After downloading the existing video, simply paste your new enhanced prompt into the redo box and hit send, and bingo! Our new Drawing to Fantasy AI video is ready. Let's preview this one too. And this is really amazing. The best part is the sound effect that Grok AI automatically adds to the video. This means you don't need to edit or add any sound effect manually. You can simply post these videos on YouTube and go viral easily. Now, we have the next viral AI theme, miniature restaurant or building AI videos. Let's create a miniature Domino's Pizza Kitchen AI video. And for that, we will use this enhanced example prompt. Simply paste the enhanced prompt, and bingo! Our miniature Domino's Pizza Kitchen AI video is ready. Let's preview it. Now, to create your own enhanced prompt for generating miniature restaurant or building AI videos, you can use this prompt template. Simply replace the idea placeholder with your own idea, and ChatGPT will provide a customized, enhanced prompt for whatever miniature scene you want to create. You can then use this enhanced prompt in Grok AI, paste it into the redo box, hit send, and bingo! Our video is ready. Let's preview this one too. Next, we have the giant animals with miniature city viral theme. Let's say we want to create a viral AI video of a giant cat plus Lilliputian village. To do this, we will use this enhanced example prompt, and within a few seconds, bingo! Our viral video is ready. Now, to generate your own enhanced prompt for creating such viral AI videos of giant animation combined with miniature cities, we will use this prompt template in ChatGPT and replace the idea placeholder with your desired idea. For demonstration, I am entering a giant Shiba Inu looking down at a tiny ramen village, miniature chefs cooking, steam rising from tiny soup bowls, lantern-lit streets. ChatGPT will then provide us with the perfect enhanced prompt. We can simply use this prompt with Grok AI, and within a few seconds, bingo! Our AI video is ready. Let's preview it. Next viral theme is cute miniature animals from a jar. These videos look so adorable and can go viral very easily. To create one such video, let's use this enhanced example prompt with Grok AI, and within a few seconds, bingo! Our viral AI video of micro bunnies from a jar is ready. Let's preview it. And this really looks adorable. Now, to create your own perfect enhanced prompt for generating cute miniature animals from a jar AI videos, we have this prompt template. Simply use this template in ChatGPT and replace the idea placeholder with your desired idea. For example, here I am using miniature red fox kits from a jar. And you can see that ChatGPT instantly provides the perfect enhanced prompt for our idea to generate a miniature red fox kits from a jar AI video. We can simply use this prompt in Grok AI, and within a few seconds, bingo! Our AI viral video is ready. Let's preview this too. Next viral theme in our list is water drop to country artwork viral AI videos. I've used this prompt with Grok AI and generated this video. And again, for creating your own water drop to country artwork viral AI videos, you can use this prompt template and simply replace the idea with your desired country name. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide the perfect enhanced prompt. Using this prompt, you can easily generate your own viral water drop to country artwork AI videos in just a few seconds, just like this. Let's preview it. Next viral theme in our list is ancient book to live creature AI videos, and this one is my favorite because the results are just mind-blowing. And trust me, this can go viral very easily. Let's create this viral AI video of ancient book to real dragon. You can simply use this example prompt in Grok AI, and bingo, your video is ready. Let's preview it. And trust me, this will really attract a lot of viewers to your channel because it gives a pure wow feeling to your audience. Again, to create your own enhanced prompt template for such viral videos, you can use this prompt template. Just replace the idea, placeholder, and ChatGPT will provide you with the enhanced prompt, which you can then use in Grok AI to generate viral videos. And bingo, here it is. Let's preview it too. And the final viral theme in our list is seed to tree transformation viral AI videos. I used this example prompt with Grok AI and generated this video. Let's preview it. And again, by using this prompt template in ChatGPT and replacing the idea placeholder with your desired idea, you will get the enhanced prompt. You can use that enhanced prompt in Grok AI to create viral videos just like this. Let's preview it. So these were all the viral niches and ideas that you can use to go viral on YouTube, as well as Instagram and TikTok. Now, please comment below which viral idea you like the most. And if you watched till here, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this. Also comment part 2 if you want me to create the second part of this video. Before ending this video, don't miss this video right here if you want to create map to monument AI documentary videos, which are going viral these days.